Think Excel is just rows and columns? Think again. In this video, I will show how Excel becomes your most powerful tool for data analysis, even if you are just getting started. Let's turn raw data into real insights, step by step. Welcome to Skills Exceed, where Excel skills turn into career power. This is the first step of our beginner-friendly data analysis series. Today, we are setting the foundation. If you want to analyze data like a pro, even with zero experience, this is the perfect starting point. Let's explore topic outline for today. What is data analysis and why in Excel? Data analysis is all about finding patterns, making decisions, and telling stories through numbers. In Excel, it is one of the most accessible and powerful tools you can use, whether you are in business, HR, sales, or any field. With Excel, you don't just store the data, you clean it, sort it, visualize it, and pull out insights that actually matters. Now let's explore the interface. The ribbon at the top houses your tools, formulas, formatting, and data tools. Your worksheet grid is where the magic happens. We will focus mostly on the Home, Insert, and Data tab in this series. Now we need a clean data set. Let's create a simple data set you can use throughout the series. I will add 4 basic columns: customer name, sales amount, date, and region. Label each column clearly. This helps later when we use filter or functions. Let's do some basic formatting. Always format your data. Bold headers, use proper date formatting, align numbers to right, and make it easy to understand. This may seem small, but clarity is the key when your dataset grows. Now let's get ready our data for some sorting and filtering. To do this, click at the corner of your table, press Ctrl A to select the data range. Now press Ctrl T to turn it into a table. This unlocks powerful tools like sorting by date or filtering by region with just one click. Now you are ready with a clean, formatted dataset to start your data analysis journey. In the next video, we will dive into data cleaning, removing blanks, fixing text, and preparing for analysis. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a step. See you in the next one.